Okay, folks, I'm going to show you something super quick. Basically, I want to get into orthographic view as I demonstrated, same as what I demonstrated yesterday in class. Okay, so when you take those orthographic views for the project, as far as the project deliverables, you do not need to be in the lighted mode. You don't have to be in this mode either. Okay, I want you to just go into flat view like this. And I'll show you how I got here. Okay, so I'm just going to go into flat view, clicking on one of these. Okay, so one of these here, boom, front, back, and so on. All right, you see one of these. So what I'm going to do is undo what I did. So we go 1 2 3 4 circles here, spheres. 1 2 3 4, drop down. Okay, I added. So if I just leave it at object, right, doesn't matter, object, there's nothing going on here. Okay, this is normally what you would see. Okay, go down to the little drop down and come down to random, and it's absolutely a beautiful thing that Blender does. Okay, so at this point I'm just kind of holding shift middle scroll, I'm panning down here, and I'm going to take a screen grab with my snippet tool here. Okay, so this is really nice. So you're going to go here, y negative, y positive, x negative, x positive. So that's the 4 views, and then you're going to hit up from above, which is, sorry, it's the top view. And then you're going to do one with the perspective view, something like this, where we see all your work. Okay, we, you and I, and the class. Okay, so we see, I'm seeing all your work. So those are the 5 views that I want you to grab for the orthographic. And there's no special effects, there's no lighting, there's no special colors. This is just random from Blender and looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, so we will start. My front is this. So I'm just going to frame it. So I kind of have, I haven't fully figured out where everything goes in my scene yet. I have a lot more than that. I see something clipping there. I don't like that. So let me just kind of like sneak that just a little over. It's not the best way to do it, but I'm doing it anyway. Okay, so I'm here. I've got this. I'm going to go to snippet, as you guys know, Control N. And I'll start from this corner. I'll go up, something like that. And I don't like that the move is there, so I'm going to have to do another one. So anyway, that's good enough. Let's just say Control S. And I'll call this front underscore view dash 03, because I've done many of these, okay, just like my demo. So this is the front. The back view, you just click on the green circle again. Why, right? You don't change anything, okay? I'm going to get rid of 3D cursor. Okay, gone. Now I'm going to come in here with my snippet tool, Control N, and I'm going to come over here, take one like this. Okay, so that's relatively, I'm not changing the proportions, I'm not changing the magnifying stage, like the zoom in, all that. So Control S, and I'm going to say back underscore view underscore 03, because this is probably the 4th time I'm doing this and my recording didn't work. So anyway, now we're going to go to the side view. Okay, this is the side. All right, I'm not touching anything. I'm not zooming in and out. I'm not touching the magnifying glass. I'm keeping everything as proportional as possible. This is the closest you're going to get to an architectural scene, folks, because this is an architectural scene, and game artists are being hired. Architectural students are being hired by game studios because they work so well. Okay, so they understand the composition, layout, building, designing, period pieces, and so forth. Okay, so anyway, side view, I don't know if it's the right or the left at this point. I'm just writing it down. 03, that's done. Great, minimize that. Click on X again, get the other view. Okay, so coming in here, Control N for new, and I'm going to just grab it from here, going like that. Something like that. Good enough for now. It's recording. I'm recording. Give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, thank you. I'll see you soon. Control S, side view, dash view. I gotta hurry up. People are at the door. So, gone. Pardon me. Woo. All right. So I think I've done all 4 views, and now I'm gonna hit Z here. I'm gonna get the top view. Okay. So I'll come in here, and I'll go new, and I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna kind of. Sorry. I'm gonna nudge this just a touch over, because I don't want to take that picture here. So I want to do this again. So I'll go snippet, Control N. Come on, snippet. Let's go. Control N. And one more here, like that. This shows kind of the entirety of my scene. Okay, not bad. It's okay. Again, not everything is in the right place for me, so I'll just press Control S, top dash view dash 03, and then we'll do one in perspective, and I'll call it a day for this. Okay, so this time I'm holding the middle scroll down. Okay, I want to kind of showcase, Mr. Balian, all the hard work I've done in this unit. Okay, we're going to come back to this during our summative. We're going to add more to it. However, this isn't bad, right? Like I could see your light post, I could see the water mill, the water well, the windmill. This hasn't been resolved here. The bridge, the water, all that's going to change in a day or two. But I think this isn't bad, okay? So now I'll go here, boom, snippet, new, and we'll just go like that. All right, that's my perspective view, Mr. Balian. Thanks a lot. Control S, perspective, dash 004 maybe, who knows. All right, done. I think, and if you want to get out of this, just come back here, drop it down, and say bye-bye to random. I said object, theme, object. So object, you're back to good stuff here. Okay, so I can come back, and I can now check out my lighting and so on, and work my way to painting with light. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Thank you. Balian out. See ya.